Freddie, what you doing?
Good dog. Come on. There you go.
Go see Mom.
Come here.
Fred.
Come here. Fred, come. You're doing so good.
You did this.
That a boy.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Got boots on.
Poor dog.
Hello, boy. He's still used to it now.
Getting better.
Oh, I'm crying.
Awesome. Are you marching behind
The
me?
ball's behind.
It's right in front of your
underneath
feet.
that. There you go.
That a boy. Good dog. There you go. You heading out. Good dog. There, see? Red can use his shoes now. It's different. No, no.
Don't chew 'em.
Good boy. Come here. Come here, Fred. Come see Mama. Good boy. Look there. You're such a brave boy. Got new shoes.
No shoe.
And you look good, too. What was that one kind of crooked?
Got a crooked shoe.
A little bit. I think it's going a little north. I like the way they sound on the floor.
Tap shoes.